How to get unstuck and get more flow in your life. According to Jay, she has sent us the simplest method, I think, so far. It's only 2 steps. She sent me an email. You can see it here. And I will, as usual, when it comes to Jay's content, put the whole script, the whole email from Jay, is in the description of the video. Click where it says more or description, you can read all about it. So I won't read everything in this video, but I will take you through the method. Jay, she is a doctor, a woman, wants to stay anonymous, does not want the limelight, the spotlight on her. She only wants to help. She calls it the night command. Use every night, she says. And here's the sentence that you do not speak. You think, Jay says. Think this sentence. Close, you know you're going to sleep, you're getting ready to sleep, and you can just think this sentence. Align my entire being with my true future while I sleep. You can read that also down below. That's the entire thing you do before you sleep. And she writes a whole lot about what's happening when you do this. You can read this down below. And when you wake up, you do the morning integration. So when you wake up, think this: the reset has been completed. That's it. The first, align my entire being with my true future while I sleep. And then you sleep, and then you think the reset has been completed. She writes, the night protocol can be used forever, but minimum for 21 nights. After night 21, you will feel more clarity, reduced disturbances, increased flow of energy, weakened obligations, stronger inner direction, and surges in creative or income impulses, Jay writes. Cool, yeah? All you need is down below for the night command. Okay, see ya.